Hey guys, I'm back with a under 20 Tuesday / grab 5. Anyway, if you guys remember from last week, I've got some alphas. I did bring in these, and yeah, I went ahead and picked them out because I knew green was the only color I was most likely going to use to match my sister and my Mr. Kyler shirt. He is my nephew. I have 4 nephews, so I'm not sure where he's at in the line, but he is one of them. And chipboard stickers. These are I'm kind of lumping these all together as word stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ephemera for number 5. I want to really use these up, so we'll see how that goes. And yet again, I did not fill my ATG. Yay! I'm gonna go do that. Please hold. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna do that because I'm not completely out. Anyway, so I'm still using this same paper pad. Let's get started. Them turquoise go. Those are cut apart. Oh. Yeah, that's already sprinkled though, so I wouldn't be able to use those, I don't think. The hearts. I'm sorry if you can hear my daughter. She's screaming for some reason. I'm not sure why. I'm also not going to go check either. Because, yeah. There's 5 other people in this house that could check on her if something's wrong. Get out the way. 8.5 by 11. I don't know. I know I've explained this to you guys, but these are mostly 8.5 by 11s because my wedding album is on Wednesday and those are all 12 by 12s. I did not, what would you say? I did not think that through because I did want to do like Project Life, but I ended up not being able to. Oh, you know why? I think because most of the pictures were 5 by 7. I didn't print them correctly. I didn't do any tear action on the last one. Let's get a little extra. What would you call that? Je ne sais quoi? No, I don't even know what that word is. I don't know what it means, sorry. Oh, you know what I could do? Run life. No, marathon life. Yes! I don't know how to spell marathon. Crap! It's not on the shirt! Go! Is awesome. Okay, let's see. Oh, number 1. Yes! Committing. Because I'm not going to have any New York pictures. Boom! Okay, so that will tie in any of these little ones that I use. Today's special running. Okay. I think I'm just going to try and go down one side. Okay, let's be real here. Let's get rid of some stuff. Okay. I'm not sure about the Today's Special. Actually, you know what? I could do that. These kind of look like chalkboard. I don't know if I ever showed you. them. They're very chalkboard-esque. Okay, so oh gosh, I gotta hurry this up because this is going to take me 8 years. Nope. Ooh, I need a black one. Here we go. I don't know. We're going to put it down and see. Oh, you know what? I'm going to cover that up. See how we go here. I got all of those behind, so I'm going to put this one on front. Man, you guys are going to hate this video. You know, you guys might hate it, but I know there's always one watcher out there watching me. Thanks, Miss Jen. Or I hope she is anyway. She might be scrolling right through. Oh, I don't blame you on this one, though. Or at least this part. Okay. Express post. That's kind of cute because they're running. Yeah, no, yeah. Maybe not. There. I'm loving that so far. Pop you guys over here. And oh, and she's done. Okay. What do we want to say here? These are titles. Blend too much. Oh, happy thoughts would be kind of cute, huh? Live colorfully. Nah, I don't like those. I think I'm gonna say you are my happy. Okay. So I'm going to have to chop that Y off, huh? Oopsie. Okay, so I got quite a few of them are used up here. Perfection. Let's see here. Now let's use these in cahoots. Are these stickers? I want to say they're supposed to be, but that certainly came off a little easier than anticipated. There we go. Yeah. I totally am taking points off because I've had to use so much liquid glue. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Oh, look, a sticker actually wants to work. Nice. Nope, don't like that there. Maybe I should go the other way. I feel like I'm going to go ahead and just use this whole sheet up. Paper, chipboard. Oh, stars. I like that one. That's cute. Missing something there. Now I just got this one left, and we will pop it off. Woo-wee! Look at you guys. You know what? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't use my alphas. This one's got a little pink in it, but I think it'll be okay. I think these might be... Oh, you know what? Let's go. Let's do that. Let's make it easy on ourselves and turn the paper around, Shannon. Okay. Let's go. That's not gonna work. On a adventure is just so grammatically wrong. That's gonna look like it says goon. Let's go adventure. That'll just have to work. Okay, so poo, I don't know what's going on with that. Perfection. Oh, come back here. Where are you going? This here yellow kind of blends. So we shall bring some attention to it. Should I put one over here too? Because I mean, I got one right there, so I might as well just really get it going here. All right. That's what's going on. No, I don't think white's gonna be blending too much. Let's go with the black. Oh, oh, I didn't use that. Oh well. Okay. I think we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed doing it. Getting a little crafty time in. Totes my fave. Almost caught those, didn't I? Yeah, I know y'all seen that. Not today. Not today. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed spending a little time with me, or a lot. Yeah, a little bit of a lot. Anyway, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.